Hello everyone, so it's day 75 for creating my own OS. Sorry that I was outdoors around 2 weeks. So actually there was some particular reasons for that, and I bring something new for today. As always, make clean, make run, make ISO. I'm sorry that I could not make any updates like for 2 weeks. Damn, those 2 weeks was kind of hard. Yeah, here it is. Let's start. As always, we have login screen. Then the new things we have added is now we have music file. We can listen to some music, but it's not a like type of good experience listening from our operating system. Then we have our calculators. It can like perform some basic calculation and some functions. Then we do have a game snake, Tetris, yeah. Then we do have physics. Let's skip that for a while because it has some problems because it has to redo the whole section when it bounces. Then we have Minesweeper, yeah. I like Minesweeper. And then in the snake game we have an actual problem. I forgot about the whole dynamics while I was giving whole attention to the like graphics and design actually. And it's not on the full screen mode. I will make it in the full screen in next updates. So then we have update the paint, its graphics. Now it's a bit better, a bit larger. Then we do have a system monitor. Yeah, if you press F1, the CPU usage will increase. Damn, it's decreased. But how? Why it's decreasing? Yeah, okay. Let's skip the 4 now, and actually now our system will calculate the time how long CPU was running. Then we have to process. Let's kill some. Let's kill kernel. No, we can't kill kernel. Let's kill login page. Yeah, kill. Let's check the CPU right end. Damn. Right, it has no use then. But actually, disk and memory section is actually working. If you create one file, it will take up some storage and memory. And then we do have a clock. Here it is our clock. Then we have our stopwatch, our timer, and our alarm. Except only the calendar is left. Then we have a web application. Now it's much more better. Yeah, you can see that is how we have improved the design of these pictures of these weathers. Now partly cloud, rainy, thunderstorm, snowing, windy, and sunny again. So here, this was for new updates. Sorry that. So thank you and goodbye.